Hey beautiful beings, my name is Maya. I'm a therapist, writer, and spiritual teacher. In today's episode, I will share with you an amazing guide on how to plan your week and how to make the most of your time in a quality way. So, reflect on the past week. This is first thing. Take a few moments to reflect on the past week. What went well? What could have gone better? Use those reflections to inform your plans for the upcoming week. Also, set intentions for the week ahead. Think about what you want to accomplish in the coming week. So, set clear intentions and goals to help guide your actions. Plan your week. How to do that? Take some time to plan out your week. Use a planner or digital calendar to schedule your commitments or your tasks and activities also. Don't forget to include time for self-care and relaxation. Meal prep. Spend some time on Sunday, for example, preparing meals for the week ahead. This can help you save time during the week and also ensure you eating healthy. So, if you want to balance meals, go ahead. Declutter and organize. How? Use Sunday as an opportunity to declutter and organize your space, everything. And a tidy environment can help you feel more focused and productive. Also, practice self-care. Take time for yourself on Sunday to relax and unwind. Simply, whether it's reading a book, taking a bath, or going for a walk, make self-care a priority. Also, disconnect. This is important. Consider unplugging from technology for a few hours on Sunday. Use this time to connect with loved ones and engage in hobbies. Also, enjoy some quiet time, your time, and get a head start. If possible, try to get a head start on your week by completing a few tasks on Sunday. This can help reduce stress and set a positive tone for the week ahead. Thank you for watching this episode, and if you enjoy it, please subscribe to the channel, like, and also share it with your friends. Also, share please your thoughts in the comments below. I'm looking forward and I'm so excited to hear what topics interests you and what you would like me to create for you in the future. See you in the next episode and have a lovely day.